Josemari. Sir Josemari, hi.
Yes.
Would you like to say hi to everyone very quickly?
Good evening, everyone, and advance Merry Christmas to each and every one of you.
All right, Sir Josemari, I have
Yes,
a question for you. When is the best time to start preparing gifts for Christmas? And who are you excited to buy gifts for this
Well,
year?
I think that this is about the right time. Don't wait for the future. Now is the time. You know, I like shopping in person, and for people my age, we want to avoid crowds, so we shop early. And then I'm also a proud lolo. So I buy gifts for my grandchildren, and I know that they love to play. They love playing, and so what I get for them is the kids' Air Risen Cotton Crew Neck T-shirt.
There
Remember
you
that?
go.
Air Risen Cotton Crew Neck T-shirt.
There.
For me, is when I see Sir Jose Marichan's face starting Burmans. Burmans, alam ko na dapat mag-shopping na ako. For me naman, I like to go online. The Uniqlo app is amazing, super easy to browse through, and you know what you want when you see it. It's easy to get it. You can have all the colors in front of you. You don't really have to roam around. So I think I've decided already pretty much my checklist for my entire family. But for my kids, since they're absolutely obsessed with kittens and animals at the moment, I will get the Makusand UT t-shirt and the skirt. Meron din for adults, so pwede matching din, di ba? So yeah, that would be my pick.
That's perfect also.
Dahlia kasi who's traveling. More than me, actually, no? So parang naisip ko, bukod sa traveler na rin siya, she's also a little fashionista, like, you know, her mom. So, and me, I think I'm a fashionista too, from time to time. So, this year I'm thinking maybe if mag-abroad ulit siya for Christmas, maybe I'll get her the Souffle yarn cardigan. Kasi at least that will keep her warm, it's super comfy, and meron din version yan for us adults. So, guys, tignan nyo rin yan. Kasi baka kung mag-abroad kayo, perfect yan to for you.
Matchy-matchy rin, no? The little matchy moment. I love that. Yes. That's so cute and sweet as well. Now, gift your bandmates ba? Colleagues? Sino bang bibigyan natin ng regalo?
Well, for me, I don't want to give my bandmates anything because I think being together all the time is already the best present you can give. So.
What a great excuse, no? For not getting gifts.
Time is the best gift.
Time is the
No,
best.
but yes, that's true.
That's why it's called the present.
Correct! Uy, pwedeng kanta yun, ah.
But yes, this Christmas I think I noticed that whenever I'm at the Uniqlo store, I see that my Lola is always, si Lola Amor, she's actually a real person. I see that she's always looking at clothes, and you know she always forgets to buy stuff for herself. So I think I'll give her a crew neck T-shirt. Yeah.
Yeah, the crew neck t-shirt. It's perfect. Bigyan natin ng regalo, first and foremost.
For me, I'd give my brother.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'll give him my U t-shirt from the Godzilla collection. Because actually, he collects those.
Oh, perfect!
Yeah, so I'll add to his collection.
There you go. You can see it on screen. Ayan, oh, the Godzilla collection. If you haven't seen that yet, you can also check that on the app and of course in store. Yes, ano pa? Ano pa? Aside from the Godzilla, what would you pair that with? So, maybe a jacket, no?
Probably a jacket.
Probably a jacket. Your brother loves traveling as well. There you go. Perfect. And
Me, I'd like to buy something for my bandmate.
Oy.
For Jeff, a bueg, our saxophone player. Maybe a pair of white jeans because they're super comfy and super stylish. Just the perfect gig attire.
there, that's what's on screen. The wide jeans. Yan, diba? It's very, very stylish nga. Oo, yes. Perfect. How about you?
Actually, I want to give my bandmate also. I want to give Manu a Dry EX shirt. He's also in his running era, so he actually just finished a marathon recently. So I want to encourage him to, stay fit and keep running. You can also wear it in rehearsals and in the studio. So medyo comfortable din siya.
Ayan.